Hello friends, welcome back to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. Today we'll create two super easy Christmas ornaments from cardboard. I've cut one large rectangle and four smaller strips from cardboard and hot glued the smaller strips over the large rectangle like so. For the ladder, I've cut two long columns and three smaller strips and hot glued the smaller strips in between the longer columns to give it a ladder shape. Next, I gave them one coat of gesso. And then I gave it a coat of red chalk paint. Although I haven't showed it here, once the coats were dry, I distressed the edges with Tim Holtz Distress ink. And now we will start with the wreath. Once the wreath was ready, I hot glued it to the door and added a bow and also tied a twine behind so that we could hang it. And just like that, it's ready. So, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Please press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.